So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we go about looking at how to fix a Redmi phone that isn't charging. Now in case you have a Redmi phone and you see that if you have put it like to charge and it doesn't charge, let's look at a few troubleshooting solutions. So most times this happens, the devices may have a charging port that's having some dust or dirt in it. So use a brush with some bristles and try and clean the charging port, some small gentle strokes, so that it doesn't damage the charging port, and at the same time any dust or dirt that may have accumulated gets cleaned as well. Try blowing some air into this and put the brush along with the bristles to clean up the port. Now once this is done, hopefully like when you put the charging port inside the charging cable inside the charging port, the phone should charge. Well, this is solution 1. Now in case this isn't working, the next steps include checking up with your adapter and the charging cable. First, just check whether the charging cable and the adapter, like the connection between them, is firm and tight. Sometimes it may be loose like this. You may be thinking that it's connected, but it needs a firm connection like this. Also, it's quite possible that after prolonged use of the charging cable itself may have got damaged or something. So simply check whether there is any stretch marks or there is any cracks or fractures in the cable. So if there is and the charging cable itself is damaged, it's quite possible that this won't charge the phone. So consider buying a new charging cable. Again, after you buy the new charging cable, simply do the same things. So like what you will be doing is you will be trying to check whether the phone charges or not, and hopefully it should charge. Next, also check whether the adapter that you are using is a compatible one. So please don't buy a Samsung charger or a roadside charger. Like, it's important that you buy a compatible adapter from the Redmi website made for your device, and then try checking whether the phone charges or not. Hopefully by now the problem should solve. Now the third method, when the phone refuses to boot up itself, what you can do is you can tap the phone in the front like this, firm taps going from bottom to top and top to bottom. Likewise at the back, top to bottom, bottom to top. Give the phone some firm flaps at the front and at the back, and also massaging the phone. Why we do this? It's often found that the parts that are responsible for booting up the phone are located at the front and at the back of the phone. So when you do this massaging, flapping and tapping, the phone actually seems to work like magic. Now when you press the power button, wait for the Redmi logo to appear, and then you will see that the phone boots up. And now try charging the phone and hopefully things should work. Same thing, just do the massage, tap, flap and everything, and then use the power and the volume up button both together. Hold until you see this logo, and shortly the phone will reboot. Repeat the steps if that doesn't work as well. Again with the power and the volume button, just wait for the phone to show the Redmi logo, and you will see the phone will boot up. Well, these are a few methods which should help you solve the problem of the Redmi phone not charging. So try doing this and let me know whether this works for you guys and whether this solves your problem. If it does, consider subscribing to our channel, and also please do share this with your family and friends. Let us know in the comment section how you find the tutorial, and also let us know whether you have any other phone and if any other problem or bug is troubling you, so that we can try solving that as well. So that's all from my side. I hope you had a nice one, and we'll catch you on the other side. Thank you so much.